Kristin on the Rise. I am Kristin. We are out here in New York. As you know, I'm from Connecticut. I came out to New York to spend some time with my husband. He came up here and we don't see him months at a time, so we decided to take the opportunity and come up here. Well, as we're waiting, there's a little tiny cemetery next to a church. I'll show you. It looks like it must have been a church at some point. It's not now. And right next door is a graveyard, so we're gonna go and look at it and look around. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do the spare box, only because, nah, never mind, I'll probably do it. Even though there's a lot of street noise, we can try for a couple of minutes and go from there. So let's do this. Okay, so here is like the building. It looks like it must have been a church, so it could be totally somebody's property that I'm walking on right now. But here's a little cemetery. Well, it's not that little, but it's got a bunch of old graves, and that's what we do. We go to old forgotten cemeteries, even if they are on the side of the road, and give recognition to those buried here. And this, look here, this looks like it was a church. It might be somebody's home now or business, but yeah. And there's a lot of open space, so that means most likely, and somebody drove on here. What is wrong with people? A lot of the times this open space means that people are buried here, just their graves are gone. And it's funny because we're in upstate New York, so there's snow still on the ground wherever you go. I like how this is set up. This is cute. (1806), (54), March 2nd, 1811. These ones I can't really read. 1839, 1855. They lived some nice lives. Some of them died in their 50s. Oh, there's a tree down. That's not good. Some died in their 50s and 60s, which is a good age for back then. Why is there loose dirt here? There's like all kinds of rocks. Like somebody threw dirt here. Tree. Yeah, there's broken graves too. You notice that the graves are all blackened. Like, I don't think I've ever, that's something new to me. I've never seen graves like blackened like that. Cause look, they are. You see the difference between the white and it's all black. A lot of them are like that. I don't know what it is. Sorry, I'm touching your grave. I almost just tripped in a hole. I shouldn't have touched it. This is broken. (1828). We're gonna have to look that up, you guys. Why their graves are like blackened? It's obviously because you see there, white and black. I mean, maybe with time. I've never seen that. Maybe it got to do with the weather? Because you can barely read them when they're blackened like that. Hey guys, if you see or hear anything, comment it down below. Which I do know that there's a lot of noise because we are by a truck stop, which is why we're over here in the first place. Graves broken. Fencing. So yeah. Oh look, it goes back there too. Cause you see how there's like open spot, like I had said, you know, open spot usually means that there are graves there. They're just stones over there too. Stones missing. But like you can't even really read them with their being so blackened. Alright, I guess I'll break out the spirit box one. So just an FYI, you won't see me, but you'll most likely hear me over everything. So let's go. I'll show you guys the rest of the cemetery before I do the spirit box. A lot of the fencing going down. That could be because of the weather, the snow and stuff. You can tell no one takes care of these. They're all knocked down. This is fencing that's knocked down. This is sad. See all the graves settled down. Alright, I guess we'll do the spirit box now. I invite those in this old cemetery. I'm not even too sure what the name of it is, so I apologize because there's really no sign that I can see. I invite you guys to speak with me. But remember, no attaching. You have to stay here. Use all your energy you possibly could to speak into this. This device will actually let us understand some words in what you're saying. So hopefully it will help. And I'm sorry for the background noise, guys. There's so much stars. Hello? My name's Kristin. Can you tell me your name? How many of you are here with me? Tell me your name. Can you tell me whose grave I'm standing in front of? I'm standing in front of John Ryan's grave. Alright, thank you for talking to me. I gotta go now. It's starting to pour. Can you say goodbye to me? Say bye. Alright, goodbye. Thank you for talking with me. Bye-bye. Hey guys, that is it for today. It's actually starting to downpour. I'm not too sure what was really said. My hearing sucks. I have to go through and put the headphones in and listen to see what was said, and then that way I could write while I'm editing what was said for you guys to hear. But again, what I hear could totally be different what you hear, so make sure you comment it and timestamp it down below. But I'm gonna get out of here because it is starting to pour and it's freezing up here, and I don't want to mess up my camera from it getting wet. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, because I post so many different kinds of videos as well. So yeah, that's it. Remember, let's make history, not get lost in it. Much love and respect. Peace.